Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, rear window defroster, trip computer, power windows, electronic stability control, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, power driver's seat. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.